day 16, and I finally got over that 30,000 K. I didn't write that much today though. I had a little under 1,000 words, but I'm tired. It's been a long day. I got caught up with shoveling snow, cleaning, doing everything, so no. So I'm gonna call it a night and enjoy my 30K moment, and get back to it tomorrow. And then I'm gonna pick up, you probably can't see it, Jennifer Lewis. I'm gonna read some tonight and go to bed. Yeah, Friday night is a bus. Yeah. All right. Hello. So we are on day number 17. So I'm halfway done with my goals for the day. So now I'm just heading out to the coffee shop to get some more done. Yeah, I'm a little bit excited because I'm over the 30K, but I need to get to the 40 now. So yeah, that's the goal for the day.
Check figures. Say checks.
So it is day 18 and another good day. Yeah, another day at the coffee shop, and I am almost 3,600. Not 3,600. Whoa. Yeah, 36K. So I'm close to the 40K. And again, I am off for the entire week. So, you know, if I have it my way, I will definitely finish this week. Or at least get to 45. That's the goal. So that's the goal for the week. At least until Thanksgiving. I mean, Thanksgiving probably not going to be writing anything because everybody's being here and I'm going to hang out with the family. But if I can at least write enough where I can have the day off and not having to worry about being behind or not losing my, my motivation, my mojo right now, because I am really enjoying this process now. Really am. Writing every day. I'm used to it. I wouldn't say I'm in love with it, but I'm getting used to it. So, and I did finish, so let me switch camera. So I did finish, this book. And, what I'm going to say is, it is 5 stars. So I enjoy it. I am going to probably, for the rest of the night, chill and download the new Daniel Allen. I think it's called Cuffing Season. Yeah. And it comes out after midnight. And knowing me, I'm going to probably be up late to watch a movie and download that book and then read it. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, on to the next day. Day 19. I'm tired. Seriously tired. So I'm gonna get something to eat and do some writing and then go back to sleep. I was up until like 3 in the morning. I couldn't sleep. Oh my god, I couldn't sleep. So I think I'm feeling it now, and I've been up since 7:30, so I didn't get that much sleep today. Even though I'm off all week, for some reason, like I am not adjusting to the time. But we'll see. I'll check in. Yeah, I'm also in the car because parking issue. Yeah, New York life. Day 20. And I actually got over the 40K mark. So this is where I'm at. And I'm super happy. So pretty much I am a little under 9,000 to reach my target. But it's probably going to be a little bit more than the 50K. But at least, I feel like, yeah, a lot of work. This morning early, got up early and I wrote. Then I went back to sleep. I didn't get up till like 1:30. I was like, wow, I've never slept late in like that in a long time. I'm such a morning person. But I think because I was up early writing, and again, I had a good writing day, very good writing day. Right now I'm just relaxing. It's Tuesday, and I am the cook for Thanksgiving. So I'm already like prepping things and getting things together for tomorrow, because tomorrow is baking day. Not a lot of bacon, literally minimum bacon, because we're Jamaicans. We really into pastry and baking for Christmas, not necessarily Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is really an American holiday, and we're just doing it just because. So I am gonna be super busy for the next 2 days cooking, but I know me, I need to finish the story that I'm working on and get some time in. If I could just get at least 1,000 a day, I'm fine with that. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm hot, guys. Yeah, bye. So guys, this is what happened when you're writing and baking. See, I almost lost the pie, but yeah. So it is day 22, which is Thanksgiving Day, and I've been up since 3 a.m. cooking, and it is about 3:15 p.m. So I've been cooking for about 12 hours and some change. I'm exhausted. I haven't done any writing for the day. Probably not gonna do much, if I do anything at all. But I'm over 42,000, which I'm very happy about. And I am pretty much trying to finish the goal of 50,000 by the weekend. However, my story is probably going to be a little longer than that. But at least if I get to the 50, I can just relax for the rest. And yeah, so 1 more week to go. I hope everybody's doing good. And yeah, so this is one of those crazy weeks where I try to shove as much in, but I'm still doing it. And I'm happy about that. So anyway, enjoy your holidays, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.